Hi, I'm Jake, and on today's rig rundown, we're looking at this cute little stocking stuffer. So you may be thinking, who in their right mind would buy a bandsaw this small? Well, let me tell you. If you are tired of buying multiple bandsaws that keep breaking from a fairly well-known hardware franchise, then it may be time to step up to something that will deal with it much better. It is only a 10-inch bandsaw, but especially for people who are starting to get into guitar making, it's perfect. If you are doing small things like intricate boxes that require templates, then this is a perfect bandsaw to get started. But enough of that, let's talk about it. So it comes with 10-inch standard alloy wheels, so they are quite small. It has solid steel bearings. It features a 45-degree tilting table, 145 millimeters of cutting height, which is quite small even for a bandsaw. So again, if you are thinking about getting into cutting some more substantial material, this model may not be for you. It will cut some hardwood, but only thin things, say up to about 20 to 30 millimeters. If you need a resaw, then you need to think about a more robust bandsaw. Cutting throat is 245, so it still does give you quite a lot of distance to cut some fairly large radiused templates, which is why it's a good investment for a beginner luthier / guitar maker. It also has a circle cutting jig attached to it that comes with it as standard that you can remove, which will help you if you do need to get any closer to circular radiuses. The footprint is 700 by 570 mil, so again it's a very small footprint. It will take up very little space in your workshop, and it's only 1,430 millimeters approximately tall. So you can tell it's very compact, very easy to lug around. So the motor's a cute little 250 watt. Again, it's not going to cut a lot of substantial material, but that's not what it's designed for. It also comes with a complimentary back scratcher because a bandsaw this size probably doesn't need a push stick. At least I wouldn't have thought so. So just give yourself a bit of a scratch there. Hang it back up. And as usual, it comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty as standard. And that's all that's really there to talk about with this machine. It's essentially what you imagine a bandsaw to be. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles, but it's got enough guts to get you started. And that's it for another video. So for more information, hit the links below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share the page to help us grow. And we'll see you in the next video.